How does climate change impact the Canadian Arctic? Have you ever wondered how climate change is reshaping one of the most remote places on Earth? The Canadian Arctic is experiencing dramatic changes that affect not just the environment but also the people who call it home. Climate change is hitting the Arctic much harder than other regions, warming nearly 4 times faster than the global average. This rapid warming leads to significant shifts in ecosystems and the physical environment. One of the most noticeable effects is the increase in temperature, which results in the melting of sea ice and the thawing of permafrost. This melting not only impacts local wildlife but also contributes to global sea level rise. As the ice disappears, it alters weather patterns around the world. With rising temperatures, we also see changes in vegetation. Some areas are experiencing an increase in plant diversity. Taller shrubs and grasses are becoming more common, pushing out slower-growing plants like lichens and mosses. These plants are vital for animals such as caribou, which relying on them for food. The disruption of these traditional plant species affects the entire food web. Wildlife populations are impacted, and this has serious consequences for Indigenous communities that depend on these animals for their livelihoods. The changes in animal habitats and availability make traditional hunting and gathering practices more difficult. Interestingly, the melting ice is also opening up new shipping routes and increasing access to natural resources. This includes minerals that are essential for renewable energy technologies. While this presents economic opportunities, it also raises environmental concerns that need to be addressed. Indigenous communities face significant challenges as their health, livelihoods, and cultural identities are threatened. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is a matter of cultural survival for these communities. In response to these challenges, Canada is implementing new policies aimed at addressing climate change in the Arctic. There is a strong focus on collaboration with international partners to protect the region's environment and resources. The Canadian Polar Research Collaboration plays a key role in this effort, bringing together scientists and researchers to study these rapid changes and their impacts. The situation in the Canadian Arctic highlights the interconnectedness of global climate systems. It serves as a reminder of the urgent need for collaborative scientific research and policy action. By working together, we can better understand and address the impacts of climate change in this vital region.